Hi again, my friends. I'm ready to do another unboxing. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of my spring FabFitFun box. It's about a month delayed because I just haven't had time to film this yet. But this is my first FabFitFun box, so I kind of wanted to dive into this one and show you guys what it's all about. I feel like my cheeks are probably pretty rosy because I've been downstairs cooking dinner. I'll show you my dinner if you want to see it. Here we go. Anyways, this is my first FabFitFun box. I did purchase this, I subscribed to it, I wanted to give it a try. You might have seen my last unboxing video, I tried the Ellen Be Kind box. You can find a link to that down below. So I wanted to do this one because it's a bit more of like a fun, fashion, beauty, lifestyle box that's pretty appropriate for women my age, girls in their 20s, their 30s especially would enjoy this. And I wanted to see what they have to offer. Let's dig in. So this box is super fun and colorful and I kind of already love the vibe of it. This box, you do get to customize a few options in it. I did pick a few things, sorry Groot. I did pick a few things that I wanted in the box. A couple things were surprises or a couple things that everyone gets in their box. So I'm just gonna jump in. I will try to remember which things I picked. Right off the bat, got a little magazine with Venus Williams on the cover. And I guess this kind of goes through what's in the box, different things you can do with the items in it, and that kind of thing. That's cool. Now the first thing I see when I open my box is something that I picked, and it is a Sunny Life picnic kit. So in the summer, I like to get outside a lot. My boyfriend Mickey and I kind of have a tendency to go out, go on some adventures, you know, even just go hang out in a park for a bit. So this is kind of awesome for me because it's nice and compact. You've got cutlery and plates, so you're kind of ready to go. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's perfect for when we do little picnics in the park, that kind of thing. That's awesome, and I did select this item. Next thing I see in my box is an 11 by Venus jump rope, which will actually come in pretty handy. I've actually been thinking about getting a jump rope. I'm like, oh my god, summer is getting here. I am so out of shape. I've pretty much been lazy and been at home for the last like 6 months since it turned to winter in Canada, and it still hasn't really turned to spring. So this is pretty cool. And I believe in the magazine there were a bunch of exercises that you can do with this jump rope, which is great. So I will put this to use. Now the next few items look like they're all beauty, skincare, hair care, body kind of things, and I did not select any of these. They were all chosen for me in my box. First up we have the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and I really hope this is nice because I love setting powders. Right now I'm using the Born This Way powder by Too Faced, and it's incredible. So this one is just a translucent setting powder. There we go. I will definitely give that a try. This will be good to actually just keep in my suitcase. I've kind of got a bunch of beauty products set to the side for when I travel to make things easy, so I can just kind of pack up and get up and go. Up next we have Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, which visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. God knows I need this right now. I had a phone call with my dad earlier, a nice little video chat, and he told me that I looked sad and tired and asked me if everything was okay. And I'm like, man, you do not say that to someone. That is the worst thing you can say to someone. So apparently, I really need this product right now. Thanks, Dad. I love you. I have never used anything from Dr. Brandt before, so I am excited to give this one a try. I will definitely put this to the test and see if it can fix these. And the next two, oh, hello, Xander. My cat just came in. He is probably wondering why I haven't given him dinner yet. It's coming, buddy. You want to meet him? Do you want to meet the Zan man? He is camera shy. Mas Benya! I'm kidding. I love you. Do you love me? He doesn't. The next two things are hair products. So first we have the why probably saying that wrong, leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner, which I need because I have not been taking very good care of my hair. I chopped off quite a few inches of my hair thanks to my friend Gosha at the Cabinet Salon in Toronto a couple months ago, and I need to keep it in good shape now that I've given it a bit of a chop and I really want to let my hair grow out. So I'm gonna give this a try, see if it will help me take care of my hair. After that, we have the R&Co Glittering Smoothing Shine Spray, which is really cool for hair that sparkles. So yeah, smoothing shine spray. It's got some shimmer to it. This will be fun to play with. I get a lot of like crazy flyaways going on up here. So, you know, well, oh, it smells really good. Let's see if this can tame my mane. After that, we have another product that was randomly chosen for my box. This one, I don't know if this is one that's in everyone's. Oh my gosh, that spray smells really good. It is a Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub from Manik Hadar. It's meant to exfoliate, detoxify, and hydrate your skin. It's a really nice size. I love the packaging. I do love a good scrub for my body, especially now that it's getting warmer out and, well, it's not actually getting warmer out. It is taking forever to get warmer out. But hopefully it's going to be getting warmer soon. I don't want to wear jeans and pants anymore. I really love to start wearing some skirts and dresses. Maybe this will be what I need to get my skin into smoother, softer shape. Final thing in my box is this Unplug Meditation Diffuser. I've got a couple of diffusers around the house. Ooh, it comes with a little. And it's happy. It's a citrus scent. Citrus scented oils are my favorite oils to put into my diffusers. They just really lift my mood and make me happy and cheerful. Yeah, I have a couple of these around the house, not this brand. Oh, it's really cute. So this is actually gonna go into my office and I will get a ton of use out of it. This is one product that I selected for my box because I knew that it was something that I would get a lot of use out of. I really love diffusers. I love using the essential oils and they're perfect for kind of fixing my mood, getting me in the right frame of mind for whatever I'm gonna do. So this is an awesome, awesome thing that I received and I will absolutely be using this. I'm probably gonna plug it in as soon as I end this video and get going on it. So first impressions of this box, I'm pretty happy with it. I will definitely use everything that I received in this box, which is great. Definitely a lot of useful products. Maybe next time I'd like to see some more beauty products instead of just like hair care and body stuff in my box. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it and I'm gonna give it at least another season to see how it goes and what else they've got in store. I feel like summer would be a really good box and there'd be a lot of fun stuff in it. So I will definitely catch you guys up on what I get next time and show you what's inside. Anyways, let me know if you've ever tried FabFitFun, what things you picked for your box, and I'll also share a discount code down below so that you can save on your first box if you decide to give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings or if this is something you think I should axe. Thank you for watching. I hear the timer going for my dinner right now. I've got to go get this chicken out of the oven, but I will definitely catch you guys next time and I've got lots more videos coming your way soon.